Raytheon just got awarded a $2.1 billion missile defense contract. But how much does the U.S. actually pay for a hypersonic missile? And who's buying them? Here's what Raytheon is delivering this year. RTX is the defense contractor behind some of the most advanced missile systems in the world. Known for precision radar, hypersonic weapons, and next-generation interceptors, RTX plays a key role in modern battlefield deterrence. You may know RTX for its partnership with NASA, where its radar technology helps guide Mars rovers. But on Earth, its missiles are doing something even more urgent, stopping enemy fire. Raytheon is building the missiles behind Iron Dome and America's hypersonic defense. One of the most well-known systems in use today is the Iron Dome, used by Israel to intercept incoming rockets. While it was originally developed by Israel's Rafael advanced defense systems, Raytheon co-produces the Iron Dome's Tamir interceptor missiles and supports U.S.-based manufacturing. In 2020, Raytheon and Rafael formed a joint venture to build Iron Dome components in Arkansas, enhancing U.S. access to the system. That move gained even more attention in 2024 and 2025 under the Trump administration, as renewed military aid to Israel put Iron Dome funding back in the spotlight. In May 2025, the Missile Defense Agency awarded Raytheon a $2.1 billion contract modification, expanding the total value of its standard Missile 3 block support deal to more than $3.3 billion. The contract covers engineering and product support for U.S. and foreign buyers and runs through October 2029. Work will take place in Tucson, Arizona, and Huntsville, Alabama, cementing Raytheon's place as a long-term pillar in U.S. and allied missile defense. The company is also developing the Hypersonic Attack Cruise Missile for the U.S. Air Force. Tested at Edwards Air Force Base in California, HACM is designed for rapid, high-altitude strikes against hardened enemy targets. Each missile is estimated to cost between $13 million and $15 million, depending on production scale. It's part of America's race to counter China and Russia's hypersonic advancements. Raytheon's portfolio also includes Patriot missile systems, counter-drone radar, and glide-phase interceptors, some of which are now being adapted for NATO deployment and Indo-Pacific deterrence. With the U.S. ramping up missile defense contracts in 2025 and global allies modernizing their defense systems, RTX remains at the center of it all. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Level Fields, Elite Investing, Effortless AI.